Hey guys, Frenchie here. Just want to touch on a bit of a safety issue on your receiver hitches. Yesterday we had a customer and friend was backing a large trailer, unit, caravan, whatever. He was lucky enough he was doing it slow in his yard and it actually snapped the hitch. And I have seen this happen 3 times now, and each time it's actually been on these ones that have these rubber foam that I guess to stop the vibrations, to stop it from rattling, and it also causes the water to not escape, so the water will sit around this end of this hitch and just slowly rust it away. Check your receiver hitches, you're towing big loads. It only takes a minute to pull a pin out, check it, lube it. Each one's a little bit different. We have a few different receiver hitches for sale, and I've found that with what I'm towing, I want a 2-inch drop on mine, so it'll level out what I'm towing, so it sits nicer on the road and everything's level and the suspension works better. But you know, we offer a few different options. There's a 6-inch drop, so depending on how lifted and what you're doing and what you're towing and how you want to level your loads out, there's a few different options available. Be careful, check them out, and also check out the ones we have for sale.